MeteoRain IoT is a wireless rain gauge. It consists of a top funnel, a sieve or a filter which gets inserted in the center, and a bottom cup and a stainless steel mount. You can remove the top funnel by just twisting the funnel and it'll unsnap at this place and on the other side out of the cup, so you can remove it very easily. To remount that funnel, just put it down and just twist it again into the snaps. Very simple. There is a water level, so you can see whether your mounting is level. And then on the inside, you can simply turn on the device by applying the supplied magnet stick where it says magnet, and the LED will light up and blink a few times to make to indicate that it's turned on. To verify that it's turned on, just use the magnet stick to flip the measuring cup back and forth, and you can see as it moves, you see the little light blinking. To turn off the device, simply place the magnet stick right next to the magnet. Again, there's a long blink and then it's turned off. You can verify it's turned off by again using your magnet stick to flip the cup, and there's no magnet, there's no light where the magnet sticker is. That's all you have to do to activate and deactivate the device. We'll turn it on again with the magnet stick to repeat. And now we can verify that it's turned on by flipping the tip-in bucket. Please make sure to remove the foil on the solar panel before installing it. And using the device is as simple as that. Now you can just mount the funnel on top, snap it into place, put in the sieve, snap it into place, and you can mount it outside. Before going out to install the device, make sure it is working, make sure you see data on the portal, you know everything is okay, so that when you are outside you can minimize the time that you need to spend installing it, and you are going to the field 100% sure that all the electronics and everything is working. Thank you.